A central feature of the Grebel experience is communal dining around tables at meals, community supper, snack nights, and end-of-term banquet. The kitchen and dining room are also used for student events, as a space to study, and for community service projects, such as preparing meals for those in need. As Grebel's residents and academic programs continue to grow, the kitchen and dining facilities have not been updated for more than 25 years.
I'm Sherry Otterbein, and I manage the food services department here at Conrad Grebel. Lack of space is a huge problem in our kitchen. People are constantly bumping into each other or needing to move out of the way because someone needs to get by with a cart. We have lots of products that we need to store in our fridge, freezer, and storeroom. We are also limited in space in terms of counter surfaces. We also run into issues in the dining room when we have large events.
When we're all together, especially at the end of fall term when there's so many students around, it can be hard to get a spot for things like community supper or going to end of term banquet.
Looking forward, I am really excited about the possibility of having more space. Having more space for people to work, more space for people to come and enjoy an experience in the dining room, whether it's a reception or a dinner. I'm also looking forward to redesigning the serving line and expanding it. It will be nice to just be able to come and go without getting caught up in a huge line of people. One of the things that I like about our current kitchen is that we have lots of light coming in, and the design for our new kitchen is also going to capture that natural light. I also like the fact that our serving line is going to remain open concept, so that as students are moving through the serving line, the kitchen staff can easily connect with them.
Hi, I'm Marcus Schantz. I'm the president here at Conrad Grebel University College. Part of Grebel's culture is to fill the table. It's a practice that's been passed down through the years from upper year to first year students. The idea is that you fill all the seats at the table before starting a new one. It's a way of making sure that everyone is welcome. The project will upgrade old equipment including plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and windows. Much of this hasn't been replaced since the college was first built in 1964. The expanded dining room will also include better connections for our visitors to find their way from the atrium to the chapel. The total project is expected to cost $6.8 million. Our goal is to raise at least $4 million through our Fill the Table campaign. We'll pay for the rest through our capital reserves, and we can also manage to borrow some funds. I invite you to support our Fill the Table campaign.